Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, today we're going to copy some files. What I'm going to do is I've got a file on my desktop. I'm going to copy the contents into another file, which is a text file, and create a new text file on the desktop with the contents in it. So let's start. I'm going to create a subroutine called copy file. Okay, but before we start, I'll just show you the file on the desktop. Here it is. It's called example, and that's the stuff inside it. So we're going to create a new file with that text inside it. Okay, so here we go. This is copy file, and we're going to create a desktop path. So my path is equal to C:/users mark desktop. Okay guys, whoop, what have I done there? Done it wrong. Okay, so this file path here is specific for my computer. It won't work on your computer, so you will have to find the file path on your computer. And then we have CHDIR, which stands for change directory to the path here. So we're in the right path. And then we're going to create open. We're going to read the file first. I'm going to call it read. Like that, and the name of the file, which is called example.txt, and we're going to do an error handler here. If anything goes wrong or die, it'll print us off some generic error message. I'm just going to put error on there. Okay, and the next one, we're going to open to write. And we're going to create a new text here and write the information into it. So I'll just name the new text output.txt. Here again, an error handler or die, say something went wrong. So something went wrong there. Okay, and now we're going to use the while loop here. So for reading, read. And just make that look a little bit neater there. Okay, we're going to chomp the new line. Okay, and then we're going to write this to the information to the new file. So that's going to be, whoops, it's going to be write scalar there, new line. Okay, and all we've got to do is close those files. So close the read file. That's wrong. Okay, read and close the write. And then simply call the program, which is going to be copy file. Okay, so let's just save it and let's just run it. Okay, that's looking good, looking good. Let's go onto the desktop and see if it did what it's supposed to do. So okay, so example text. And there's the output text that we said we will create. Remember the example text, the original file. I've been copied again. And let's have a look at the output. There we go. I've been copied again. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And remember, if you've not done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help support the channel. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.